everybody, welcome to Savion Foods. Today is a great day. We're gonna be making guacamole. And you know, I was talking to my friend Cherie. Well, she really my cousin because I'm married to her cousin. That's my wife, Tamisha Glashin. And I heard her saying, how do you make guacamole? And so, you know, inspired me to make this video. Right now, she's going through health situations, so she changed to vegan. So this video is just for her. Yes, it's for you, Cherie. So these are the steps to make guacamole. 2 avocados, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, a half a lemon, and a half a cup of natural yeast flakes. So I'm gonna put my avocado in a bowl, and then I'm gonna show you the next step. Alright, we're back on step number 2. So pouring your natural yeast flakes into the bowl. I hope you smushed it up real good, guys. Pour it in. Squeeze your lemon juice. I just love lemon. We're going to mix it all together. And then we're going to taste it out. Final step. Okay, everybody, my wife's going to be the taste tester of the guacamole. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. See you next week on Savion Foods.